In this video, I will show you how to furnish a complicated floor plan. The layout is quite complicated with its angled walls, doors, and the pillar in the center. So first of all, you will divide the room into areas, which will create a kitchen, living, and dining area. You can see the foot traffic path in green. So first of all, we will furnish the living area. The TV will be hung on the wall, and the seating will face towards it. So this will be your living area. Behind the couch, we will place a narrow long table, which will divide the room to the dining area. You want to keep the TV unit as narrow as possible, so you can use a narrow wall-hung TV unit. For the dining table, we will use a round table, as it works better with the sharp corners of the room, and then you can start adding accessories. If you want to know what app I'm using, the link is in my bio. And if you also have a complicated layout to furnish, simply just send me a message. We will finish up with the decoration, and this is the final result. Don't forget to like and follow if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment if you have more ideas how to furnish this complicated layout. And this is how it looks in 3D.